Hey there, YouTubers. Here we are at the Coastal Virginia Auto Show, and we came across this beautiful 1972 Chevelle SS, and this baby's for sale. It has a 454 big block with a cow induction hood, cow induction air cleaner, power brakes, power steering, no air conditioning on this car. Beautiful blue paint job. And it has the later model rally wheels with the radial red line tires. Like I said, the cow induction hood with white stripes sets it off nicely. Interior is redone, automatic. It's the SS dash. SS badging. Correct SS tips on the exhaust. Nicely done. This car is located in Virginia Beach area. So if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for future videos. Till next time, thanks for watching.